In this video, we are going to cover how we made plus 120% overnight on BLK, and actually now over 2 weeks. So we sold half, we held the other half, and over 2 weeks it delivered plus 250%. So we bought BLK BlackRock at 960. The stock price was 960. The strike peaked 1000. So here it's 5% out of the money. So let's say at the money. We peaked maturity February 21st. So in this case, it's not like Netflix 1 week or Meta or whatever. In this case, it's 1 month, a bit more. Maturity 3rd Friday of February. So the stock did plus 4 or 5% overnight, plus 5% knowing that actually it's priced with lower volatility. The option did plus 120%. So here we're talking about 24 leverage. So 24 leverage, knowing that maturity is 1 month, slightly out of the money. Why? Because you have a lot of time left, and because the implied vol also increased all of a sudden. So for this same thing, so this same option doubled over 2 weeks, knowing that BLK took 10% over these 2 weeks since it was bought. So BLK took 10%, it doubled. All right, so I'm showing you examples. And why was this played? This was played because Trump has an inflationary policy that tends to support financial services, banks as well. All the predictions in the app for banks and the whole financial industry was positive overall. Other stocks picked up, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Bank of America. We played options based on this, and it went well. So it's not always going to go well, but most of the times, finger crossed, most of the times it keeps going well. And so we did this earnings play based on this, and based on also the fact that BlackRock, compared to other banks, could have an advantage with the Bitcoin ETF, iBIT. So BlackRock released the ETF last year. Since then, the AUM increased a lot, and this helps them by bringing more revenues as well, and because they also make money based on AUM and other things. And so Bitcoin for BlackRock is actually a huge product, because if you compare the size of the Bitcoin ETF with the size of the gold ETF, the Bitcoin ETF is much bigger, and the gold ETF has been here for like 20 years, I think. I mean, I'm not sure. Please double check, but it's been here for a long time. And so yes, I sold half of the options because we always recommend selling half as soon as you can. Here I was looking in 120% profit, so it's great. It means all the other half left is pure upside, and the rest did plus 250% in 2 weeks. So it's great, but it's not always going to happen like this. Sometimes you see market dips or something else that will drive it down. So always take profits when you can. That doesn't mean sell everything. Just take at least what you invested, and as a bonus, you still have the rest of the options. All right. So thanks for watching this video. Let's move on to another one.